Benefits of water in morning. Every family has seeds because of their incredible health advantages. Drinking water first thing in the morning may do wonders for your health. It includes nutrients that enhance and safeguard your metabolic system, such as phosphorus, iodine, calcium, and potassium. It has medicinal properties and adds flavor to your curries and paranthas. It enhances the flavor of your meal while also improving your health by treating a variety of ailments. We'll learn more about the benefits of this spice in this article. Aids in weight reduction. Weight loss does not happen overnight. To stay calorie-free, the fat that has accumulated in your body must be removed or burned. If consumed on a regular basis, a cup of water can help you lose weight. It can help you lose weight and boost your metabolic function. Relieves pain. People who suffer from arthritis can drink water in the morning on a regular basis. It is quite effective in reducing pain and inflammation. Diarrhea can be caused by food poisoning, which causes a disruption in your bowel movement. Water can be used as a tonic to cure illnesses or poisons that cause diarrhea. Lowers acidity. Acid production in the stomach causes acid reflection or heartburn. Food indigestion might lead to an acidity problem. The greatest cure for this ailment is water.